Okay, what we got here, I've never done this, the great unboxing. A lot of people do unboxings. This has just arrived from Canada. And really looking forward to getting into it. How do I get into it? How about that? What do we got here? Ooh! The SailTimer. Anything else in there? No? We just have a SailTimer. I mean, that's all we need. What's in there? SailTimer. Looking forward to getting this on the boat. What do we got? Ooh, stop. It's important to follow the instructions for charging the battery. A flat battery is not covered under warranty. Well, fair enough. When you remove the blue cap, the LED will be blinking, which indicates your battery is working. If it's not full, it is not full. But you can start to get familiar with using your new wind instrument. That's good. Don't let the battery go flat. Charge it up before installing and never leave it running. Tilt the solar panels at the sun for 3 sunny days to fill up. 3 sunny days? That's interesting. This is New Zealand. I don't know if we can get 3 sunny days in a row. Charge it up before installing. Never let it running. Leave it for 3 days. And there's frequently asked questions on the SailTimerWind.com. Well, look at this. Look at this. Ooh, it's been attached. Ooh, I think I better get something clever there. Stitched into the box. Thank you, Chris at SailTimer. Looks like it's all covered in glue. Oh, even that's attached. I think we call this good packaging. Secure, because it's come a long way. It's taken a month to get here from Canada to New Zealand. Didn't get charged any entrance thing, which is nice. What do we got? Here we go. Ooh, she's still attached there. Be careful, Rick. Okay. We got a few screws. Here we go. Nice. Bit of sellotape on there. That's the solar panel, obviously. A bit of a battery. It's all super encased in goo. I presume this is to make it windproof. Look at all that. You can actually see everything in there. That's pretty remarkable. This is the on-off cap I've been reading about. The off switch. Wow. Okay, what else have we got here? Be gentle. We've got some stainless steel screws there. Nice bit of stainless steel. And that is going to hold up there like that. And that is obviously going to sit on there somehow. What have we got in there? Oh, it's threaded. It's threaded. Sure, I don't know if that's very strong, but maybe I should read the instructions first. What do you think? Wouldn't want to cross thread that. Let's read the instructions first. We don't want to make a mess. But anyway, there we go. SailTimer. I can't wait to get this on the boat. So I'll let you know how I get on. Interesting. Well, the first impression is those plastic bits that flip. And putting that on and off through that thread might end in disaster. But let's not be too critical. We'll have to see it before. So the next step is going to be connecting to it via Bluetooth and getting some data from it. So there's going to be a lot of fun and games. SailTimer. Maybe I should start charging it. All I need is 3 days of sun. Well, I got some action. It's taken me quite a while before I could access the API and get this wind gauge. First thing was the API. I had to register, and the registration requires an email to be the button to click. But unfortunately, it disappeared into the spam, and I get so much spam that it had been set up to auto delete. And the catch was once I've registered, they send out the activation email. If I don't get the email, I can't go back and re-register or resend the email out. So that's just gone into the ether and I can't activate it. And I can't use the same details because it's already registered, even though it's not activated. So I did that 3 times, changing emails. Gmail took it off me as well. And eventually I had to create another email address, and it's success. And straight away, it looks like this. Well, straight away. I've been working on this for an hour and a half, but I've got it. So now I'm going to get experimenting. Sorry about the wind noise. Here's a little baby. I've created a little stand for it just temporarily. I'm going to go and put it in a more direct force of wind and see what goes. There you go, how about that? Come on, man. You go for a drive, come on. Okay, it's the next morning. It's taken me 3 hours to set this up, but I've finally managed it. On my Android device. And then I turn that on. And it's waiting to connect. Battery's still not charged because the sun hasn't been shining, but that's cool. And it's the I'm using the AF Track ST. It knows where I am. And there we go. It's working. Wind speed and direction. Well done. And that's how quickly I can access it and fire it up. It's working a treat. I can't wait to get it on the boat. Taranto's going to love this. Very impressed so far.